Hey all, welcome back to SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. I am Kurt Ludington, your resident host and bartender. Today I'm going to be mixing up the classic cocktail, the Sidecar. The Sidecar was invented somewhere around the end of World War I in the general region of Paris, London, somewhere in there. And it was named after the sidecar that people had on their motorcycles because that was very popular at that time. And if you guys know me at all by now, you know that I just absolutely love old cocktails that have stood the test of time. Sidecar it is today, but before we get started, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Once you've done that, hit the notification bell. That way you don't miss a single episode of the show. And also leave a comment below. We would very much appreciate that. So let's get started on this Sidecar. First, what I need to do is I have sugar in this little bowl here. So I'm going to put a sugar rim around my glass. So we're going to prepare the glass before we start mixing the cocktail. Now I'm going to get that quite a ways down the glass. It just makes for a real nice impression, a real nice looking cocktail. And all you got to do that is just roll it around in your saucer or whatever container you have for your sugar. That way your sugar will stick to the side of the glass. There you have it. Looks pretty good. We're going to set that to the side for now. Start mixing up the cocktail. I'm going to start with just a 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. Just a little bit. I'm a big believer in just a little bit of simple syrup. It's just going to soften the cocktail up a little bit and just make that cocktail that much more approachable. 3/4 ounce of lemon juice. 3/4 ounce of Cointreau. If you do not have Cointreau at home, just use a triple sec of your choice. 3/4 ounce. And lastly, our main spirit is Cognac. I don't think we've done a Cognac cocktail on the YouTube channel yet, but I'm using Pierre Ferrand 1840 Cognac. Cognac's a funny thing. I've tasted a few that were just god-awful, to be quite truthful with you. I don't even know what I'd mix with it. Some people like it, more part to you. This particular Cognac is somewhere in the middle, where it's a good tasting Cognac. It's not older. The older it gets to me, the worse it seems to me personally. So I particularly like and carry here at the bar the Pierre Ferrand 1840. We're going to pour in 1.5 ounces of your preferred Cognac. And that's it. Get some ice in the tin, we'll give it a shake. Alright, that should do. Get our cocktail glass back up here that we already prepared with the sugar rim, sugar side, whatever you want to say. We're definitely going to double strain. That's the classic Sidecar cocktail. Cheers. Man, that's good. Now, you get a little bit of the orange liqueur. The cognac's in there. You can definitely taste that a little bit, but you get the orange liqueur. Now, the lemons, here's what I like the way we do this cocktail. The lemon is pretty prominent. A lot of citrus in there. But as you're drinking it with that sugar rim, you're going to a little bit of that sugar right on your lips as you take a taste, and that's going to sweeten that lemon up just a touch. And it really, really makes the cocktail a beautiful tasting cocktail. Thanks for watching today. We certainly do appreciate it. You can find us on Facebook at SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. You can also find us on Instagram at SLB Drinks. Whatever you do when you're drinking alcoholic beverages, we ask you to please drink responsibly. See ya.